Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily make Tinkerbell and Dress to Impress. If you don't have the wings, you can use the non-VIP wings. It's actually pretty simple to do this outfit. So go to the updo section and select this hair, select no bangs and color it this color. And then go back to the feminine section and select this hair in only bangs. I like this one better than the one that actually looks like Tinkerbell's hair, but you can choose whichever hair you want. Select the skirt and toggle to the second one and color it this color, 9BE77. Then I'm just going to add this corset and I'm just going to color it that same green and add in some lighter greens for depth. If you don't have the VIP wings, just select this one in this light green color. Then select these shoes and color it green and white. And that is it. Again, if you have VIP, you can use the wings there. If you don't have it, you can just use these. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.